Okay, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. I'm going to show you today how to make shorts with DaVinci Resolve. The first thing you have to do is, if you have a project going, you go to that project that you would like to make the short for, and then just go into it and kind of right click on it, and once you find it, just create another timeline. And when you do that, you just change the settings. It's pretty simple. I mean, it's similar to how it is on Final Cut, and I think I'm gonna make a video talking about that as well. But the basic premise is you go to it and you have to just kind of hit the timeline, and then timeline to kind of duplicate. It's kind of what I'm trying to find right now here. Duplicate timeline. Once you duplicate the timeline, you go into it, timeline settings, and once you change the settings, you go through it, and then you change the settings to in the video you turn it to 1080 by 1920. After you do this, the settings will be good, and then you just have to go back and basically reframe all of the shots that you have, because I think that's one of the issues that you have in that situation. I've heard, and I have Studio, but I haven't used it on my DaVinci Resolve Studio yet, but I heard that if you go there, it'll has like a feature in that right hand corner in between the media pool that will reframe it for you a little bit, and then you don't really have to do much of anything else. But once you hit the button there, you do that, it should change the structure of the videos, and you just have to reframe everything. And then after that, you're good. You just have to pretty much make sure that whatever you want to be in the shot is in the shot, and go from there. I think this is actually pretty helpful for people who can't afford Final Cut, because Final Cut is the place where I used to edit a lot of my shorts, and I knew that Resolve had a feature for you to do this. So if you're one of those people that are looking for a free alternative to like Final Cut Pro, then I would say this is a viable option. So if you guys think this content is useful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.